this video, I will tell you how to hide COD based on discount amount applied. So for this, I have used Advanced Cash on Delivery app. You can also install the same app from Shopify App Store. I have also attached the link of this app in the description box. You can check it out. Once installed, then click on Advanced Cash on Delivery app. Then limit COD based on discount configure button. Then select your payment method, that is cash on delivery. If you have already added fee for cash on delivery in your Shopify settings, then you need to toggle on this button and you need to select your payment method. We don't have any fee for cash on delivery, so I am toggling off this button. Then click on discount amount and change the status to enabled. And from discount amount drop down, select hide COD for based on discount amount. Add condition as greater than or equal to 500 and save your changes. Now I will quickly show you how to add a discount. So on the discount section, you can create a discount. I have already added this discount of 600. So I will apply this. Now we will check it on our online store. Go to catalog, add any product to the cart and enter discount code. So here you can see only prepaid options are available. Cash on delivery is not available. So that's it. You have successfully set up how to hide COD based on discount amount applied. If you like this video, then do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy selling.